Hello everyone and hoping that all you are doing well. So now you can see my hands are right up in the air and I have a such kind of a story which you can able to see. And I'm just trying to narrate my words because I have learned a one story which is related to a Tenali Ravan. And Tenali Ravan story is very inspirational and which gives you a wisdom and a great mind or a great mindset thoughts which you can just trying to implement in your daily routine. The thing is that once there was a merchant and merchant was very greedy means largy and he was very greedy. One day he just trying to make a story and just trying to go in front of the king and just trying to say everything as a trap version because king was humble and a kind and the merchant was just saying that if I make a such type of story which is very harmful related to me and the king will give a such compassion to me and with the help of the compassion I can enjoy my life. So one day he just went to the king palace and just said, my majesty, someone is stolen my necklace from my home and I really don't know who is the thief. So could you help me to find the thief? And I'm really worrying about it because it was my expensive necklace. Now the king got very angry after listening his story and his very painful situation. The king just ordered every servant to go and find the thief where he is staying. Now the all servants just went to the merchant's house and everyone just trying to figure out, but no one find the thing who is thief. And the merchant's house is so big and many servants also there in his house and the servant says, no, I have nothing. Now you can see everything which I have. And the king is also command and ordered the servants to go to servants' house which was working in the merchant's house. Then everyone can just trying to research everything, but no one can find the thing. Now finally the king called the Tenali Ravan, and the Tenali Ravan know very well about the merchant's tricky trapped, and he just listen and understanding the things very carefully. Then one day he just bought some sticks and give everyone one by one, merchants also and merchant servants also. Then the Tenali said, these are the magic stick and this magic stick will help us to find the real thief who is thief and who has stolen the necklace. And the next day the magic stick might be and must be increases 2 centimeters those who is thief. After hearing this, the merchant was very shocked and very got very fear. And the night time the merchant cut 2 centimeter stick and the stick become shorter than all sticks. Then the next day king just order all has to come. Then all went to the king palace. Then Tenali checked everyone's stick one by one, and what he found? He found the merchant's stick was so short, and the confirmedly Tenali Ravan said, Majesty, the merchant is a thief, and he was just trying to make a story and just trying to make us fool. And finally, the king know everything very well, and the king praised the Tenali Ravan. And the Tenali also just saying that, my majesty, you are so humble and kind. So that's why everyone just trying to make you fool. Because merchants know very well you are humble and kind, and with the help of this story, you can give us some reward as a compensation. And with the help of this reward, he can just enjoying everything. And the thing is that what you can just understand this story, the moral is that we don't have to greedy mind can trap to a such type of difficult situation which you can't be able to exist on it. and you can't be able to get out of that situation. It might be harmful for you. Then the king also punished the merchant, and the merchant was feeling very shameful. So don't try to make us such kind of things which make you fool or make you disappointed, because it is very a devastated things which you are just trying to do a such type of greedy mind. And don't be greedy, don't be evil mind, and these things will destroy your whole life. So stay and avoid all these kinds of things which can make everyone's harmful. So think about your life, what your purpose, what you are doing. Now these are the such kind of moral, and this story was just I have learned, then I'm just trying to deliver in front of you, because these are my own words and I really don't know what a kind of way I'm just going. But the thing is that I'm just trying to enhance my learning skills, and with the help of this I can just trying to elaborate and explain the things very carefully. So so please write on the comment section what a kind of way you can just trying to improve, and what you learn from this story, and what are the things you are just trying to implement in your daily routine and you do also. And this is the things which you are just trying to doing in your life. So write down in the comment section what you get from this story and what the things you really follow in your daily routine. So goodbye, take care, because this is a small type of video which can just I just trying to usually make 6 to 7 minutes video. So goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in my next conversation. Again, a new moral story or a new chapter. So goodbye, take care.